Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and without wasting your time, I just want to start off with this video. And trust me when I say this, guys, this video is that one video that I always wanted to make for the last 2 years. I've failed a lot in that department, but let me explain a few things. Now, first of all, I want to share with you guys my current weight without wasting any time. Yes, now before you guys boo me or type in all your not so positive comments, let me tell you one thing. I'll tell you something that's more shocking than my current weight. I was 135 kgs in 2019. That was the maximum weight that I went to, and it was the worst experience of my life, and I decided to make a change. And the reason I did not update you guys is fear of failure, right? Because I had failed in the past with my diets and all that. Even though I was very transparent and I explained you guys why that happened and all that, it took a lot of guts for me to come out and speak, and I could not do that. And that is why whenever people asked me questions regarding my weight, I was always silent. And even that was one of the reasons why I could not upload videos on YouTube, because I was just not in a good space in my head. Okay, and again, this video, I don't want this video to become like a montage of excuses, and I'm not going to make this video about that. All I wanted to do is I want to give you guys an update, a future plan, and some help that I want from you guys as well. So yeah, so let us go back to 2014, where I was 70 kgs. I did my great transformation journey, which a lot of people still message me that inspired them to start getting into fitness, and that is why they feel bad for me, or they are kind of disappointed that this guy inspired me to get into fitness, and now look at him, right? So I completely understand, and you know what, more than asking sorry or saying sorry, I feel bad for myself. I felt bad for myself, and I had to make a change. So my weight 135, not good at all. I was almost bordering on crazy obesity, health issues maybe. So I had to make a change, and for the past 6 to 8 months I've been working very hard. Again, in that process as well, I've had some failures, but I made sure I never gave up in this situation. And because of this lockdown, I worked even hard, focused more on my own fitness routine, and finally I'm 115, and now we'll take it from here on. Okay, now one of my biggest weaknesses when it comes to fitness is my relation with food. I've always had a bad relationship with food since I was a child, because I was always overweight, that round looking kid in school, and that was me. That was literally me. And I used to eat a lot of sweets, drink a lot of Pepsi and all these sweet drinks and sugary drinks and all that, and I was always fat. And once I got into this fitness field and my fitness journey started, I eliminated a lot of that. And in 2017, I was at my peak, which meant my peak physique, which I believe is my peak, not what Instagram or Facebook says. For me, peak physique, it's my personal choice. Okay, my peak physique is a tight midsection, no hanging fat or anything, good sized muscles in your body, visible muscles when you wear a t-shirt and when you remove a t-shirt. So I want to bust one small rumor or a small myth, okay, that in 2017 people used to comment saying cut down, right? I could understand during that time, but now when I look at it, I did not have to cut down. Okay, I gained 20 kgs of body weight in 2.5 to 3 years. I was 90 kgs in by the end of 2017 or 2016. Okay, then I decided to move to Bangalore. Up until I moved to Bangalore, I was perfect. I was living with my friends, and I was just working very hard. I was following a very good diet, and you guys could see that as well. I still had visible veins in my arms, and I was lean. Of course, I did not have shredded abs, but I could see my abs and I could feel my abs. And once I moved to Bangalore, things started heating up, because that was the first time I ever moved out of a city. I was living on my own, and I just could not settle into the whole lifestyle and all that for a while, for 3 to 4 months. And during those 3 to 4 months, it was I would say it was things were becoming a little bit hard for me. No workouts, no proper diet. I was just ordering Swiggy every single day, and that is where my friendship with Swiggy began. And we'll talk about that in some other video. So that 1 year I went from 92 to I went to 100 and I would say 18 kgs, 118 kgs. So in that 1 year I gained that much amount of weight. Okay, so almost 26 kgs, and I came back to Bangalore after 1 year because I had to, because in Bangalore I was doing things which I do not look at myself, do not expect me to be doing. Okay, and that is why I decided to move back here and After coming here, I thought, you know what, let's have a fresh start. And after I came here, I was kind of missing Bangalore as well. Okay, so it was like a battle inside my head, and that is why things started moving here and there, and I was like, there was like a proper cocktail in my head. I did not know what to do, and then I started becoming active. I started working out, and in the process I started playing a lot of football. And one day while I was playing football, I had a small shoulder injury which I thought was small, and then I went and worked out in the gym. There was no pain, but suddenly one day I woke up with so much pain, I couldn't lift my hand and all that. And in that process, time went by. I thought, you know, it will heal up, but it did not. So it took 2 to 3 months, and eventually I ended up at 130 kgs. And from that 130, it was so hard for me, because when you eat so much food, right, your body just puts on weight even if you eat slightly more than what you ate yesterday. So I just ended up at 135, and then I decided things have to change. And that is when last year around July or August, I decided to, you know, properly start my journey, and that is what has brought me to this point, okay, 115 kgs. And that is what I wanted to share in this video, guys. And again, I don't know how you guys are going to respond. I'm already sweating, it's fucking hot over here. And again, guys, whatever you want to say, you can say it in the comment box below, because I've dealt with enough things that all the negative comments and all that doesn't bother me anymore. But I've been getting a lot of good comments recently. And again, remember, guys, if you ever have been overweight and had troubled relationship with food, you would understand my point of view. But if you don't, in the future videos, I hope I can make you understand. And yes, before I end this video, I want help from you. Now, in the past, I made fat funeral series, reinventing myself, this, that, and all that, which never lasted. But this time I want to do something, or do something from you know, scratch. And I want you guys to name the series, okay? So you can Instagram DM me, you can email me, you can leave comments down below. And other guys who watch this video, if you like any of those names, just like that comment, and I will choose that name for the series. And hopefully we can have a fresh start. And I ordered some resistance band, and I'll give you guys some beautiful home workouts that you can do now that Amazon is slowly delivering items to many cities in India, like orange zones and green zones and all that. So hopefully you guys can get your hands on something, and we can build something together. And I'll have more exciting stuff for you, contests that you guys can participate in, which will have rewards as well at the end. So that is the goal. So for the next 3 months, my goal is to get as close to 100 kgs. If I get to 100, wow, that's great, right? But if I don't, it's fine. But my goal is to get as close to 100, because I'll display a picture when I was 100 or 96, 97 at the beginning of 2018 or 17, I don't remember. I was in pretty good shape, okay? And I see no reason for me to go all the way down to shredded body fat percentage, and there's nothing for me to impress, okay? But one thing that I want to do is I want to change and get back to where I always was and always wanted myself to be. That is, which is what I call my peak condition. You know, a lot of muscle, a thin or a slim waistline, and that is all I wanted from my physique when I started my fitness journey. So hopefully this time, you know, I won't let myself down. It's not about letting you guys down. More than that, it is not letting myself down. And in that process and with that passion, I just want to, you know, thank you all for the support that you have shown over the years. And let us start off with the series from next week. So if you have any comments, let me know. If you have any names for the series, let me know, and we can start this off. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. And now all I have to do when people ask me about my update is send this video. So thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you again, guys. Take care. Peace out.